Do you know which car is the originator of Toyota MPV? The Toyota Previa, the dream car of the kids. Now it's tattered and hidden deep in the warehouse. The owner paid the price of a Wuling Hongguang to get it. I hope we can give him a satisfactory account of his youth. I just want to say one thing, big brother. Are you still short of followers? All right, without further ado, let's get to work. This screw is rusty and rotten. Dude, just block it with a plastic sheet. The second row of seats can also be turned back. I don't know how many deals were negotiated here back then. The screws on the car have been removed and are all seriously rusted. It must be removed with the help of rust remover. This can hide dirt for a year. It's really time to change. Disassemble it in this way to facilitate our next operation. Put foam cleaner on the dashboard limit and scrub every place carefully. Wrap it in plastic wrap to prevent dust from entering. We will pack and refurbish these removed interior parts as usual and repackage the seat cloth cover. Leather refurbishment. Remove the front and rear bumpers of the car body. Now you can check the condition of the car body plate and ribs. It is as serious as the situation of screw rust stone. Dozens of such rust stones are the size of the whole car. It seems that the task of repairing the plate tendons this time is equally arduous. Send the car body to the whole body for cleaning first. The big gray one here blows up, and the Sandstorm high-pressure water gun arranges dead hair all over the body. All corners and corners must be cleaned in place. This is much more pleasing to the eye than before. Push it into the drying room and take a sauna. The car body after drying enters the plate reinforcement process. Get your notebooks and pens ready. After watching this process, you can also learn the plate reinforcement repair masters. The first step is to confirm the size of the plate reinforcement repair that needs to be cut. Then the exact point is repeated on the plate. The cut sheet is folded out with a bending machine. Then the master can adjust the arc of the repaired parts according to the size of the original car. Due to the large number of tendons that need to be repaired, we can only work hard for our plate tendon master to start work left and right. Try to let everyone see Brother Hounen's mobile office as soon as possible. Back to our normal body. The master can apply the repair button to punch holes and locate at this time. This step is to ensure the accuracy required at the cutting and repair points during the subsequent cutting process. Do you think this is fine? The master also needs to continuously adjust the tube and degree during this process to achieve the best repair effect. Now start marking and cutting. Be sure to leave room for adjustment when cutting. You can fine-tune it later. The degree of rust in this steel bar is far beyond our imagination. We usually only see such rust stones in classic cars from 6 to 70 years ago, and in this car, it's everywhere. Now the master will weld the repair ship of Tuan Huanyang primer on the car. Sanding solder joints for finishing. Such a restoration is complete. We also follow this step for the repair of other parts. The next installment will bring you the renovation of the mechanical part. We look forward to recreating the style of this Toyota Overlord. So far, the exterior and interior of the car body have been completely dismantled. The car after dismantling is horrible. Clean the meter limit first. Wash all the corners. After drying all wiring harnesses, wrap them in plastic wrap to prevent dust from entering. The next step is to send the car body for a full car cleaning. The next step is to send the car body to the bar workshop for bar repair work. Before that, Let's take a look at the real tendon condition of this car. The surrounding floor on the right has been exhibited. The inner rib of the right eyebrow has been rusted and a big hole has appeared. The whole car is full of big holes behind the plate tendon's rust river. Clean up the grounds and get ready to start the whole car slab repair. The first step is to measure the area that needs to be repaired. Then select the repair plate of suitable material and thickness according to the size. Cutting board. Next step on the bending machine straight out of the plate activity. Repeated beating to adjust the curvature and flatness of the ribs, due to the heavy task of plate tendon repair this time. You need to open the bow left and right for the master to complete the task at the same time. Alright, back to business. Put the repair button adjusted in front on the car and run it. Cut out the same return position as the original car. At this time, the nearest cut is being made to compare the size of the original car. Then go to the front frame to press and spray the epoxy bottom gas for repair and remediation. Last step, welding. The repair work has been completed by sanding the weld to cover the plate ribs. At the same time, another board tendon master made the side skirts according to the same process standards. Start cutting the side base plate. We need to clean up the platinum handicap near the restoration site. Avoid the old parts and new ones from being occupied by welding in the later stage, and build the produced group base plate for welding on the car. Since the lateral group location is a multi-layer superimposed structure, therefore, the outer plate reinforcement needs to be welded on the basis of the base plate. Repairs in other parts of the line are carried out according to the same process and standards. Finally, install the original parts of the dismantled car in place. Our plate bar repair process is over. Next, remove the front and rear axles and chassis parts under the car. Remove the chassis keys, rust and sand them, and then respray the protective paint. Next, the exposed chassis is recoated with a chassis that hits the wall, is anti-collision, rust-proof, and soundproof. The next step is to hand over the car body to the warehouse for surface paint scratches and cracks. Spray base gas. This step of the grinder is related to the texture of the final paint surface. After polishing, prepare to spray paint. Finally, add another line to protect Ching Ching, which not only looks at scratches but also improves the paint surface. Don't survive the start to pray. Plastic parts such as bumpers also have a general protection period. Painting complete. Install the appearance keys in turn first. At this time, all our internal events have been renovated and completed. Next, install the interior dashboard. After installing all the components, let's take a look at the final finished product effect. We are a group of craftsmen who focus on restoring old cars. If you also like old car renovation and repair, you can follow my homepage. There are more car renovation and repair videos in it.